Okay, ready? Hit recorded on the
Okay.
video and now going live.
Dear friends, Namaste. My name is François Gautier. I'm a French journalist and writer. I live in India. I have the privilege to live in this great country that is India. Many of us have been shaken by the anti-racist riot that happened in the US and in UK and many parts in the world. So we need to rethink about racism. So next Saturday, Saturday the 13th, at 19:30 Indian Standard Time, 7:30 in evening Indian Standard Time, I'm going to do a live talk on racism, looking behind racism. What is behind racism? The karma of racism, there's a karma of racism. If you see, for instance, in my country, France, which colonized many countries, Morocco, Algeria, there's a karma of racism. Also, the shifting phenomenon of racism. Racism happens when a country comes on the top. There are many countries, including Africa, which were predominant countries, predominant civilization once upon a time. Africa is supposed to have predominant civilization, even before India. So racism happens when you're predominant, but sometimes from predominant you become dominated. So we look at the shifting phenomenon of racism, and then what's behind racism? What's happening now in the US? The racism that India suffered from invasions, from Christian missionaries, it's a very, very important racism, very violent racism too. So next Saturday, the 13th of June, join me at 19:30 Indian Standard Time, and we will talk together about what is true racism. Namaste. I'm not live anymore, no?
No, wait.
I can get up?
Yeah, you can get it.
Only the phone you have to stop also.